Hello and welcome to Cooking Adventures with Karen, where I share my love of cooking with you. On today's episode, I am making lemon curd, which makes a great filling for cupcakes, donuts, and cakes alike. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure to share, comment, and enjoy. I start by zesting a clean lemon till I get about a tablespoon of fresh lemon zest. Then I roll my lemons to help release their juices. And strain over a fine mesh sieve into a measuring cup. I use 2 egg yolks and 2 whole eggs that I whisk to combine and then set aside. To the bowl on top of a double boiler, I add 1 stick of unsalted butter, 3/4 to 1 1/4 cup of sugar and the lemon juice, and melt to combine. Then I slowly add the lemon juice mixture to the eggs and whisk so I don't get scrambled eggs. Then I place the lemon curd mixture back onto the double boiler set to medium heat and stir frequently till the lemon curd reaches a temperature of 170 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit and is nice and thick. It usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. When the mixture coats the back of a spoon, it is almost ready. Strain lemon curd using a fine mesh sieve over a bowl with the lemon zest in it to remove any egg white pieces. Then mix frequently. Thank you for subscribing to Cooking Adventures with Karen.